Okay, I'm just outside. Welcome.
Me too!
Down. I'm playing with my friends, Lily and my little sister. So, yeah.
Dude, the Harlem Shake!
No, shut up. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is
Why on your bike?
I don't know what I should do, but
You should subscribe to my channel.
it's time for
No, it isn't.
the epic battle.
Okay, put your foot in!
Okay.
What? Put your foot in! Put your foot in! It's playtime!
I put my food in.
You guys, come on!
Okay,
Put
foot
one
in.
foot. No, not on top of me.
Okay, I'm just gonna hold it.
Doggy, dime, and step foot up. You're not it. You're not
You got it.
I'm it anyway. Come on. I have the hammer.
Yeah!
I'll beat everyone up.
If you touch somebody, you hand it to somebody. And trees are basic.
Okay. No, there's no bases. That's stupid. Tell them.
Let it go!
I'll get you. I'll get you. This is intense.
Are you videotaping this?
Yeah.
Victor!
Ah! I can just tell.
You can't go base!
Well, I saw After Earth though. You suck. They suck. They're cheaters.
No!
Yes! Yes! Okay, give me. Oh crap! I forgot. You have to. Oh Jesus! Run! I got it. I just ran.
You have 10
For you.
seconds! 1, 2, 3,
You get doggy guarding.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10!
See you, my butt. Oh God. Hammer time. What do you want? Tell him. I'm gonna show backwards.
Evan just came by. I thought he was looking for you.
Yeah. Down. Don't. I'm just gonna wait.
Don't play with Everett.
You're it. What the f- Oh God! She behind me! She behind me. She behind me? Is she behind me? Is she behind me?
I'm like Slenderman.
Can't see this?
It's like
Oh God! How you guys been doing? Vlogging video games. I'm not video games. Just games. What do you want? Oh my gosh, she's right there! I gotta hide. Throw it from here! I bet you can't throw it at me. I bet you can't throw it at me. You can't?
This will make it close enough.
Ow. No tag back!
Okay.
Oh, no tag back, so I'm safe. I'm safe for now. You can't tag me. No tag backs, Lily said.
No, you have to tag saying no tag backs.
No. I did. So, yeah. I'm done. Just kidding. How you guys been doing? Hi, Emily, go get her. Run. You can't hit me. I'm vlogging. This is epic.
It's hammer time.
Ow, I don't. Give me it.
No.
Dude, it's my.
I know.
Oh, jeez. Okay. On the hammer. Enter. I'm just gonna walk. I'm just gonna. I was under the car.
Oh, there he is.
I was under the car, bro.
How old are you doing, Victor?
11. Ah! We're playing hammer tag. There's a hammer. Where's the hammer?
Right here.
Oh, jeez.
Get over.
Throw it at me. Throw it at me. I want to beat it. Come on, throw it at me. Hammer me. Hammer me. Ow. See, look. You have to throw the hammer at each other. That's it, guys. I'll see you later. Please subscribe. And I'll see you guys later. Peace out, homies.